This video is for the YouTube content creator, and I'm going to show you how to utilize the end screen element of your videos to get even more views if you have been already implementing the end screens on the end of your videos. So if you haven't been using end screens, oh my gosh, what are you thinking? That's real estate on your screen, free real estate to advertise other videos that you have. And if you haven't been implementing that, you're losing money. I'm going to show you real quickly what I do, but added another technique to get even more views from your end screens. So what you're going to want to do to gain access to your end screens on all your videos, just go to YouTube Studio up on the upper right here, YouTube Studio. You're going to go to Content on the left here. And this is going to, of course, show in order of all of the videos that I've been making so far. For example, this video here, my greatest garage sale find. Let's say I wanted to promote that video and I just made it and I want to put it on all my videos and promote it. Well, I would go down each and every one of these videos and adding it to every single end screen on all these videos. And I actually do this on 3 channels. I would literally cross-reference a video from this channel and put it on another channel, and just to try to get a lot of promotion on that video. So for example, let's say I go to this video and I want to advertise this video on it, on the end screen. So I go here to Analytics, and then from Analytics, I go to Detail. What I would do is I go to End Screen here. What I'm going to do is click on Element, and you can do Video, Playlist, Channel, and Link. So of course you go to Video, right? And then what I do is choose a specific video. In this video here, my greatest garage sale find, that's the video that I would literally go and hand pick on every single one of my videos over 3 channels. And it could literally take me an hour or 2 to do that. So I'd save, and then I'd be like, okay, great. I'm going to get a lot of views, right? That's smart to utilize the end screen. But let me show you something that's going to give you even more views and much more attention. What you're going to do here, let's go back to YouTube Studio. And now what I'm going to do is go to Playlist. This is the secret. And I know a lot of you have made playlists and you've probably utilized playlists. And Daryl Eves here on YouTube, who's a really smart YouTube creator, and he shows you ways to make more views and get more money off of your YouTube channel. He always says, hey, make playlists and you'll be able to get a lot more views because people through inertia will be watching through more of your videos. What you want to do is that video that you want to put on the end screen, you make a playlist for it. Here, I try to follow the same theme with this one particular playlist. And so you can see here I got a total of, 23 videos here on this playlist. Let's say this one video, Flip Goodwill 99-cent stuffed animal. I want to put it on all my channels. I'll show you the advantage to this. I chock full this playlist of 23 videos and put them chock full of videos that's kind of related in the same topic. And then from here you can change the order of what you want to be on the very top video. So now this video, my greatest garage sale finds, the video that I want to put on the end screens of all my videos to get it a lot of attention because it's a new video. What I'll do is I'll put it in this playlist that's related to it. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to add it to the top of my playlist. So what you're going to do is click Move to Top. So you can see here this playlist has this video already that I want to put on the end screen of all my videos. Alright, so we want to save that. We're going to go back to YouTube Studio, and then we're going to go to Content. Now we're going to go back, and I'm going to actually put it on all my videos, on all 3 channels of mine, because I want to promote that one video. I'm going to go to Analytics, let's say on one of the videos, and then from here go to Details, then go to End Screen, and then from Elements, I'm going to go ahead and delete it off of here because it's shown as a video. I'm going to delete it, and now I'm going to go back to Add Element, and instead of doing video, I'm going to do playlist. So you can see here, this video pops back up. So now instead of having the video as my thumbnail at the end screen, I have the playlist. Now I'm going to show you why that's important. So let's say you have a potential viewer and he or she sees this playlist here. It's going to just show up as a video. It's not going to show up as a playlist. So what they do is they click on it. And of course you can change your playlist to the title that you want. So now it still has the video on the end screen that I want to promote. So when we click on it, it's actually a playlist. So now you see here it's got the first video, but now it's got all my other videos. And what's going to happen is after this video plays, if your viewer is watching it, it's going to automatically on your playlist go to your next video in order of your playlist, and then the next and the next and the next. So, but we know as creatures, a lot of times we'll be doing things as we're watching videos. A lot of times we'll be doing the laundry, we'll be doing some stuff in the kitchen, cooking or whatever, and these videos will automatically play. Sometimes the person will fall asleep, and the videos will constantly play, and you're making monetized revenue with the commercials all the way down through these videos. So you see what I'm saying? You're getting more bang for your in-screen buck by putting a playlist at the end of your screens instead of just doing one video. Now here's what's even more better. It's going to give you more real estate on the YouTube screen. Not only do you have your video up, but they're seeing your other videos. And so they might be looking down here on the right. They'll be like, this is interesting. Let me click on that one. That's interesting. See what I'm saying? Is now you're getting more clicks and you're getting more in-screen real estate with your videos. And so by just doing this in the last month, I've gotten so much more views on these other videos that's related to the topic. Now here's another neat thing. It's going to save you time whenever you want to change those end screens again. So let's say you make a new video and you want that end screen on the end of your videos. Well, let's say this is the brand new video I just made and I want to put it on all the end screens of my 3 channels. The only thing I do is go onto the video. Here is just go over here where it says save. What I'm going to do is click on the playlist that I have tagged to all the end screens of all my videos. Click that. Now go back to YouTube Studio. Go back to playlist. Now pick that same playlist. Now you can see it down here where I just added it right here. So what I want to do is move that to the top. So the very top video on your playlist, that will serve as your thumbnail on all your end screens and on this playlist. What I can do is actually edit the playlist title to the title of the video that I'm trying to promote. So now the video that I have on all my end screens, I got as the same title as the video I'm trying to promote on all my end screens. So what's great about that is the time that you're saving. You don't have to go through all these individual videos and edit them and then add the end screen on all these videos of the new video that you want to try to promote. It just blanketly does that throughout all the videos that you have that playlist on. It saves you so much time. I appreciate you watching. Please subscribe if you think this stuff is helpful, and put in the comment section whether if you have any other tips as well. All right, have a good one.
Hi, Anthony Sullivan here, and you need to subscribe to Robert Wilbur's YouTube channel. He'll inspire you like no other. He's persistent, loving, magnificent, and will keep you coming back for more. And smash that like button too while you're at it. OxyClean.